Good evening, everyone. Today I'm gonna make a prelim examination on LEA 5, entitled Police Personnel and Record Management. So first, Philippine National Police, what does it mean? So Philippine National Police is the armed civilian national police force in the Philippines. It is under by the DILG, or Department of Interior and Local Government Unit. So the PNP formed on January 29, 1991, when the Philippine Constabulary and Integrated National Police were merged pursuant on Republic Act 6975 on 1990. So what you mean by Philippine Constabulary? So ang Philippine Constabulary is formally incorporated in 1901 by Lieutenant Henry Allen, Chief maintain peace and order, suppress the rebellion in the territory. In 1917, Brigadier General Rafael Crame was appointed as the first Filipino chief of the Philippine Constabulary. He headed the Philippine Constabulary in 10 years. Then after the national headquarters was named after the Brigadier General Crame, Camp Crame. So kanang name sa Philippine National Police Headquarters karon na Camp Crame, dito na gikan kay Brigadier General Rafael Crame. Dito nagikuha ang iyang pangalan sa headquarters. So unsa may mandate sa Philippine Police. So ang mandate sa Philippine kay is in Republic Act RE 6975, known as Act establishing the Philippine National Police under recognition of Department of Interior and Local Government of other purposes, highly effectively complete the police force that is a national scope and civilian of character. National scope, which is dili lang sila gihired para mag-serve sa Turil or sa Davao. So they hired to serve the Philippine, all over the Philippine. Then the civilian character, which is stay humble and approachable of the people, dapat dili mahadlok ang mga tao nya mo dool sa mga pulis. So next is the philosophy o philosophy. So philosophy nila is service, honor, and justice. So nag-serve sila para ilang gi-honor, then justice. So next is the core values. So ilang core values: maka-Dios, makabayan, makatao, ug makakalikasan. So ilang vision in 2030, the community responsive and cooperate of the PNP. The Philippines is safer place to live, work, and business. Wala namang mission kay enforce law, prevent and control crimes, maintain and peace and order, and ensure public safety. So next, the PNP functions. So ang function sa PNP, the first is enforce all laws and ordinances relative to protection, lives, and properties. Then maintain peace and order, investigate the private crime, exercise the general power of make arrest, seizure, then detain arrested person a period of not beyond or prescribed by law, issue licenses and possession of firearms and explosives accorded with law. Then supervise and control training, operation, and security agencies. Then perform such as duties, exercise of all function. So next, the PNP organizational structure. So natay six organizational structure. So next, the PNP organizational structure, there are six. First, the PNP command group. The chief of the directorial staff, the International Affairs Service, the Human Rights Affairs Office, the Center for Police Strategy Management, and the last one is the directorial staff. So next is the organizational structure. So organizational structure means the systematic arrangement of relationship of the members of a position, department, function of works of the organization. It is a compress the function, relationship, responsibilities, authorities of individuals with an organization. First, kinds of organizational structures, the line, the functional, the line, and staff. So first, the line, the oldest, simplest kind, also called military, defined as the clear chain of command of the highest and the lowest, and vice versa. So, kining line, ano siya ang kuan, kumbaga, general work ba? General work mo ha. Then, for example, the chief PNP disseminated command. So, dapat ang katong command maabot to siya sa lowest rank of the organization. So mo to siya ang line. So next is the functional. Structure according with the function of specialized unit. So kung ang line katong general ba, general ang yung trabaho, bisan asa pwede ka. Then kining functional, naka-specific na siya, specific task of or work. Kung asa ka how dito ka ma-assign. Ano siya ang functional. Then ang line and staff, combination of line and staff. So kining line and staff, combination do sa duha. Pwede ka dito sa general na kuan o sa specific task kung asa ka iyang uhawd. So, next is organizational principles. So, there are 4 primary conditions of organization. So, first, the authority. So, the authority refers to the supreme source of government of any particular organization, the right to exercise, to decide, or to command by the virtue of rank or position. Kining authority, kung kinsa ilay mohatag og kanang authority, kinsa mohatag og authority sa usa ka organization. Just example, diri sa simbahan, ang maghatag lang man og authority dinhi sa simbahan is ang kuan lang, murang kura paroko, ang kuan si father. Siya lang ang maghatag og authority. So tanan mga kuan membro sa kuan GKK, katong mga membro, mga presidente sa mga GKK, ang kuman ay hatag ni father sila ha, mo lang matuman kay siya may kuan authority, siya ay authority niya mo disseminate og information ingon sila ha. Next is the mutual cooperation. So our organization exists because of their purpose. So ang kada organization daw exist yun na tungod sa na sila purpose. Siyempre nandiyo sila purpose para mo productive ang ilahang organization, pero mo lambo. So para mo lambo ang usa ka organization, dapat ang leader magpaka-leader jud siya kanang, for example, si father dili na makig-coordinate sa iyang mga GKK member. So wala may tabo. Wala man ang ilang leader. Wala magmisa. Kasi may tabo na misa, wala sila mga wala may tabo na misa kay wala man, di naman ma-active ang leader, wala man active si father. Next is the doctrine. Provides the organizational object, provides the various actions, hence policies, procedure, rules, regulation, and order are based on the statement of doctrine. So doctrine, ang mga organization nagfollow siya og policies of the organization to organize the organization para maayo ang flow sa organization ba. Nasa policies. So, mga policies simbahan, sa may mga policies simbahan na for example kanang sa suot lang siguro, kanang suot ka mo simba ka, mag-spaghetti, mag-short, and so on. Ano siguro yung mga palihis sa kuan simbahan niya, ginabawal. Unsupported siguro mag-saying bad words. The next is the discipline. So, comprising the behavioral regulation. Siyempre, ang usa ka leader sa organization wala disiplina. Dili jud maka kuan ang usa ka organization panglitan diri sa simbahan. Among pare walay kuan, ana walay disiplina sa iyang sarili. Siyempre, di ba? So, the one na kuan, murag ikaw ang leader, makita ka sa mga tao, murag insulto na kayo pari ni, murag ana god, dili siya makatuon ba tungod sa iyang gipakita niya wala siya disiplina. Dapat disiplinado jud ang usa ka leader para ang community ninyo, ang organization mulambo or ma-organize. So next, elements of police organization. First, unity of command. So ang unity of command is only one order of the organization. Unity of command. Unsay order sa unsay order ni Father, dapat mao to siya ang abot dito sa mga GKK na iyang gisakpan. So sa span of control, pila lang ka mga GKK ang makaya ni Father na i-handle. For example lang sa simbahan ako ang example kay okay lang manunaan. So, muna akong mga example ka ng span of control. Pila lang ka mga GKK ang ma-handle ni Father kay kuan man gud na every month maguna sila na ay misa. Pila lang ka adlaw na 30 days lang sa kuan isa ka bulan niya ang kada GKK pila ka GKK ang sakop sa imong parokya. Dapat maduan mo na kada isa ka bulan. So, span of control. Control po nila ang mga GKK kung pila na kabuo. Next is delegation of authority. Confirming the amount of authority, supervision, of position of their position. So, kini sa delegation of authority o simbahan niya po ni kaning mga kuan PSL, maning mga delegation of authority. Kung di makaya ni Father, to mga PSL, pwede sila magkasaulugan sa pulong. Dili siya pwede misa, pero mamao lang yung sila. Pero wala like kuan. Lahat lang siya sa misa, kaya ang misa, ang pare mo mag-lead. So, katong mga kuan na PSL, pangulo sa pulong. So, ang hierarchy of authority. So, ang hierarchy of authority, ano siya, arrangement of relationship of superior and subordinate service. So, arrangement sa kuan from Pope Francis down to obispo, archobispo, pare, ano siya ang kuan sa sa hierarchy of authority. So, next is the specialization. Muna siya ang assignment, particular or personal or particular task. Muna siya ang expertise nimo. Asa ka na bilong sa expertise. Mga expertise nimo. So, next is the chain of command. Muna siya arrangement of the officer from top to bottom by their position and authority. So, the last one is the command responsibility. Kung command responsibility na ikaw ang panglitan, ikaw ang chief PNP, ikaw ang nag-command. Then, ang imong gihatagan o command is nagkamali. So, nakay what you call this? Obligado ka ato niya tungod kay pagkamali sa imong gihatagan o command. That's all. Thank you.